Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create DNS records in a custom domain for Azure Web App. We can configure Azure DNS to host a custom domain for the Azure Web App. For example, we can create an Azure Web App and have the user access the Azure Web App using my public domain name like www.azure.xyz or only azure.xyz as an FQDN of that Azure Web App, right? To do this, we'll have to create three records. We'll create a root A record pointing to my zone, azure.xyz. We'll create a root TXT records for verification. We'll create a cname record for the www name that points to the A record. I don't have a dummy domain, but I'll show you the places wherein you'll have to modify and the records type you have to create. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. So to do this, I'll have to first of all create an Azure App Service. So I'll click on Create a Resource and I'll click on Web App. And let me and I'll use it in the same resource group. This would be my web app name. I'm using the code. I can use .NET, Windows. I'll do East US. I'll have to create a new plan as well. So I'm going to go with dev test, monitoring. I'm not going to enable application insights. And I'll do create. So I'm going to pause the video till the time this web app is being deployed and then we'll proceed further. Okay, it is deployed. I'm going to go to resource for my web app. Right now I'm going to go back to my zone. I'm going to click on my zone. Now we will create a record. So an A record is used to map a name to its IP address. So now we'll assign @ as an A record using the web app IPv4 address. So to get the IPv4 address, go here, click on custom domains for the web app. And now this is the IP address. Copy it. Create the record. Set. Type in @ IP address would be this. TTL 1 hour. Click on OK. So this is done. Alright, so the next step would be to create a TXT record. And how will we do that? We'll do it by creating a new record. So what I'll do is I'll do record set and I'll do azure.xyz and I'll change it to TXT. And the value would be your web app name. Now what we'll do is we'll create a cname record. So if you want to create a cname record, we were creating a TXT record, I'm sorry. So I will copy the name of my web app, which is this. So it would be, I do this. So let's say I wanted to go to azure.azurewebsites.net. Click on here. Okay, now if you want to create a cname, click on this. type in name. We can do this. Sorry, you will do this and do this, and it will route to your Azure websites.net. Okay. Okay. This is their www dot is there. Now if you want to add custom host name, you go here and you go to the custom domain of your web app and you add a custom domain in your web app in the custom domain section. Because I've used the dev and test pricing tier of the web app, that is why it is not giving me this option. If you would use your production or standard tier, you will get an option to add a custom domain here. And when you'll add the custom domain in the web app, and because you have created a record, txt record and cname record in your public DNS zone, you will be able to browse to the URL, right? So I hope this is informative for all of you guys. If you have any more queries, please mention that in the comment section. If you want detailed information, please go and read the Microsoft documentation regarding public DNS zones and private DNS zone. And until next time, have a good day.